Hey Ducks, how's it going? Welcome to the University of Oregon, and we both would just like to say how happy and excited we are that you've chosen to be a part of our flock.
Yeah, we're really excited for you all to come to campus, and we are both current UO students, and we've compiled a video series for you all to show you how to use the course registration features on DuckWeb, which is the U of O's interactive online information system that's used for faculty, students, and staff. But before we jump into that, we just wanted to introduce ourselves to you all real quick.
Hello, hi, my name is Drew. I am a third-year student studying advertising with a minor in business. My pronouns are he, him, and his, and I'm originally from Orange County, California, but consider Eugene to be my home. And here at the U of O, I'm involved in fraternity and sorority life. I'm a member of the club volleyball team, and for the past 2 years, I've been working with the student orientation programs. One thing I really enjoy about club sports is that it gives me an opportunity to continue to play the sport that I love, as well as make new friends, play at competitive level, and travel all around the country. It's really helped me to form and find my group here on campus, as well as make a bunch of new friends.
Awesome. Well, hey y'all, my name is McLean, and I'm a senior this year studying public relations, and I am from Reno, Nevada. And I'm really thankful I've had the past 4 years of my time spent at the U of O. I've had a lot of really great opportunities, such as studying abroad, and I'm also involved in fraternity and sorority life. And like Drew, I've also been involved with student orientation programs the past 2 years. And my biggest advice for all incoming students would be to just get involved. We have over 200 clubs and organizations on campus, so there's got to be something for you all to like and get involved with. And if there's something that you particularly want to do and we don't have it on campus, you can also start a club for yourself, which is really awesome.
We're so excited to show you how to use DuckWeb, so let's get started. Make sure to watch every single one of these videos in order to best prepare for your upcoming academic advising session. And as always, go Ducks!